For this example, we'll be looking at the greatest common factor. So let's remember what the greatest common factor means. The greatest common factor of a list of integers is the greatest integer that is a factor of each integer in the list. So let's find the greatest common factor of two numbers. Our two numbers will be 45 and 60. To find this greatest common factor, we'll first write each number as a product of primes. So 45, we know that's 9 times 5. I'll write 9 as 3 times 3, and then times 5. That's 45 written as a product of primes. Now let's write 60 as a product of primes, and 60 I know is 6 times 10. 6 is 2 times 3, and then 10 is 2 times 5. I've written each number as a product of primes, and now let's identify the common prime factors. In other words, there's a common prime factor of 5 in each of our two numbers, and there's a common prime factor of 3 in each of our two numbers. So what is the greatest common factor? Well, remember, it's going to be the product of all common prime factors. So the greatest common factor will be 3 times 5, which is 15. 15 is the biggest number that goes into 45 and also into 60 evenly.